Hello and welcome to a new garage with Dad, and welcome back to the 120D. Today I'm going to start the little jobs on the car, and the first thing I'm going to do is clean the front headlamps and replace the rear lamps. And I'm just going to use this pad that I've had because I've cleaned plenty of other headlamps with this kit that I bought, but I've none of the compound left, so I'm just going to use T-cut, and that should do the job. If it doesn't, then I'll use 2000 grit and then use the T-cut again, and that should do it. It's quite a messy job, so I'm covering the car with this cloth because this stuff goes everywhere. Give it a quick wipe with this cloth and see what it's like. And already it's much better, so I'll give it another going over, do this bit as well, and I think that should do the job. There you go, that's pretty good, but there is a little area in here that is not rubbing down, as clear as this here, so I'm going to go over it with the 1000 grit and then go back over it with the T-cut. Yeah, that's better, but it just needs a wee bit more T-cut, then that'll be it finished. Final wax polish. There you go, that's the battery going down now, but I'm just going to clean this off, then that should do, and then get on to the other one. While I'm waiting on the battery charging up for to do the headlights, I'm going to replace these rear lamps because I'm not overly keen on the dark tint, and this one's broken anyway, so I've got these good second-hand units to go in, and they're only held in by, you take this panel off on the inside, and then they're held in by 3 nuts, and this just clicks off and you just basically replace it. Simple as that. Careful not to drop the nut down into the behind the panel in the car. Bit of water in there. Helps when you got the right side. I didn't drop the nut down, I've just gone and dropped the whole spanner down there. So I'll have to take it off again and get in with my magnetic tool. Never rains but it pours. What turned out as a 5-minute job has turned into a major strip down the whole back end just to get this friggin' spanner out. There you go. Have a look at that. when I started cleaning this one, once I got it clear a bit, there's a massive cobweb inside, so I'm going to have to take the headlamp off and try and get that out as well as I can. I'll probably have, I don't know if I can separate it. I might just have to sort of blow it out with compressed air. Little spider in the middle. These things drive you daft. Because of a bloody cobweb, I've got to take the headlamp out to get this cobweb out, but to get the headlamp off you've got to take the bumper off. What's all that about? And so I thought I'd get in by the back of the main beam lamp, and then it's hard getting this thing off, and then to get the wire off, I was looking at a video on YouTube and it just says quite simply push the wire, put it across, comes off very easily. Does it heck? I've been trying for about 15 minutes, it's no budging at all, so I'll keep persevering. I've got to get this cobweb out because it looks terrible. Honestly, I went on YouTube to see how to remove the bumper, and of course it looks really simple, you know, according to all the videos, but there's 3 bolts in here that you take off and it virtually clips out and you get the headlamp out nice and easy. But of course the bolts are rounded off in their little sockets, so I can't get that off. So to be honest, at the end of the day, I think the spider web is going to stay. Got it out. Now I can get that cobweb out. Well, that's the headlamp back together. That took us the best part of an hour. Does anybody else have these sort of problems? You can leave a comment in the comment section below. So back to cleaning the headlamp up now. First job on the 120D is to remove the window film, and it's actually got window film on the front window, which is actually illegal because it's too dark. There's a legal requirement for letting light through, and that's actually too dark. So if you had an accident or anything, they would spot that and your insurance would become void, unfortunately. So it's got to go. It's a bit old hat now, window tint, and especially for someone my age. I've actually removed the film on this side, so I'm going to show you how I remove the film on the back and on the 2 other sides. So that's pretty easy, but it does leave a little glue residue and you can hear it on the window, but I'll easily get that off with some brake cleaner. That's us back up to date, and I'm pleased with the look. It's a lot cleaner and a lot fresher looking now. I'm going to cut this video short here, and in the next instalment I'm going to clean the dog hair out the boot and have a look at the non-working rear wiper. So thumbs up, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.